Hi Taurians, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to your relationship reading for the month of October 2020. We will see what are the vibrations we are getting for you, and you can actually join this reading with your monthly reading, monthly prediction, and then you can see it in the continuation to that. This reading is core relationship reading. I'm not going to touch upon any career aspect, professional aspect, or anything. If I see anything very specific, I will certainly mention that to you. But then this is going to be a relationship reading for you. Also, if you want to reach out to me for your personalized reading, you can reach me on 918448901791. You can email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com, and you can visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Thank you so much. Let's get ahead up with your reading and see what exactly is it that we see in your cards. This reading will cover up your energies, your partner's energies, and what exactly you can expect in this month. What is it that is important for you to know in this month, and what exactly you can ignore in this month, the kind of energies you're getting from this person, and wherever clarification is required, we will seek that also in the reading. So let's get ahead. I have few relationship cards also from from a specific deck, which is a relationship deck only. So I will flip them over later. But as of now, let's read the current cards and the spread what I have for you. The first word which comes to my mind is hold on. I say hold on. What are you seeking in this relationship? What exactly are you seeking out of relationships right now? You're seeking stability, a relationship where you can stay for longer, where you can stay forever. You want to stand still in a relationship. You don't want to run. You don't want changes now in your partner. You're looking for stability. The Prince of Pentacles has appeared in your reading, standing at one place, shielding himself from what? What are you shielding yourself from? Fake emotions, fake partners, unreal people, people who don't act themselves. They try to show you something, but then they are not that. You are trying to create a shield around you where fake people, relationships which are temporary relationships, do not enter your life. You're trying to protect yourself. Maybe you're already taking precautions around that. You're already working towards it. But that's what you are up to in the month of October, Taurans. I see reunion happening in the month of October with a few of you. And there I see you, connecting with energies which are your relationship energies where kids are involved. Are you away from your partner for some reason? Whatever reason. I see a reunion happening in that relationship. You miss your kids. You think about them. It's a reunion which happens with your kids. These energies are attracting you. Attraction can or not always be something like romantic partner only. Relationships are not always like having a romantic partner in your life. You and I have a relationship. You are my viewer. I post videos for you, for your welfare, for your wellness, for you, so that you have a good consultation. Relationships you have with your kids also, and there's a reunion happening for you in the month of October, Taurians. Do not always categorize relationships with your romantic partners only. That's what most of the people do when they reach out to me. Oh, I saw your relationship reading. It is an exact match with my relationship here. When we do readings, personalized readings, we get to know, oh, the most concerned area of the relationship was the kids. So maybe partner was not even a concern. The concern was the child. That connection was missing. That's a reunion happening. Another thing which is here I see is that there's a movement happening, change of place happening. I see that you are making a move from someone. Even if there's a reunion there in your cards, you want to connect with your kids, you're moving away from someone. I want to show you the cards. Look at it. You're still moving ahead from someone wherein your children need you. There's a movement happening. Few of you are moving away from a partner, existing partner. That's what I see, I feel. Because why are you moving away? Look at the energies of this person. Oh my God. He wants to rip you apart. He wants to just, maybe he was able to kill you, and if killing someone was not a crime, he would have done it by now. This person is very aggressive, very, very aggressive. And he will try his best to stop your movement. They don't want you to move. They don't want you to move ahead in the relationship with someone else. They don't want it. Even if people around them, specifically people around them, your partner, they don't want this thing to happen to you. They want to protect you. But what is happening here? This person is so arrogant that he does not want to listen to anyone here, anyone. They just want to follow their own path, which is designed by them only. I don't know for what sake and what they will get out of this situation if they hurt you or they harm you. They feel that if they harm you, they will get peace. But it's not easy to tame you down, Taurians. It is not at all easy. You are anyways dealing with maybe a fire energy already. You're dealing with an Aries, and I think here when your partner your partner is trying to hurt you, this Aries, this is a fire sign. This person will come in your protection also. This person is protecting you. You're getting a protection, okay? But whatever is happening, that is going to make you a very, very introvert person. Look at this card. You become an introvert person. You're becoming inside your shell. Why are you getting into your shell? Let me get you a clarification here, because I strongly feel there's a clarification required for this card specifically. I will have to again reiterate that your partner is very, very furious on you. I don't know for what have you done, but no, it's not easy for them to tame you down, and I think that makes them all the more furious because they are not able to do what they want to do with you. What have you done to them which made them so furious? Now the problem here with you is that you're juggling between two options already. You're juggling between two choices, two options already in your mind, Taurians. Now when you're juggling, none of the partners understand you well. That's your concern. Because, and why does the confusion arises in a relationship? Confusion arises when you yourself is not clear about something. The other person you have in your life is also, very, I will say, very arrogant kind of a person. If I don't have to call it arrogant, I will say it's a cold energy. This person is more concerned about themselves, their well-being, how the relationship is going in their favor. Like, is it getting along with them? It is not about you who's getting along with them. It is about maybe the lifestyle is going as per their expectations. So that's something what they are doing. October is not going to be a very beautiful month for in terms of relationship with the people who are going through some rough patch with the people in your relationship. I don't think anything new starting in this month. I don't see any new start happening, though you are craving stability in your life in this month. You're craving for a stabilized relationships in this month. But only option I have for you is, and only shield what I can give you, a protection what I can give you out of this reading is that angels are very clear and their messages are very, very clear. They want you to have positive attitude, Taurians. Faith in God. Faith in terms of that, yes, there is a person in this world who's the best person for you to be with, and God will get you that person closer to you. But then you'll have to have faith. What you don't have to do in this month is, do not get into these stupid affairs, short term affairs, one night stands. Pay attention to the red flags of the relationship you are in right now. Thinking that things will change, thinking it will be better, does not give you a guarantee of making things better, Taurians. So the only guard, the only protection I can give you out of this reading is that you please wait for the right person to come into your life. The people you are with right now, you yourself is not clear about them. So I don't know. I really don't know what are you doing there. Anyways, you're going through very rough patch in relationships. Your partner is. I want you to look at this card again. Look at the face. Very aggressive. Very, very aggressive. Pay attention to the red flags. Yes, obviously I've told that, and it is worth waiting. So please wait for the right kind of a person in your life, because you have got time. It's not like the time is over, time is going, time is flying. No, you still have time to make a relationship better. If you want that to happen, you still have time to wait for the right kind of a person. So overall energy is, don't do anything stupid just because you want someone around you. At times being alone is more beautiful energy than being around with the wrong people. I think that's much better, right? Take care, be happy, be nice to people around you, and God bless you. Bye.